Thank you so much for staying with us here on 12 About Town. Today, Lydia Pittman is here with the Virginia Diner, sharing some favorite holiday recipes with what you can make out of the product. The products are great on their own, but then you can also make stuff with them too. Welcome.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. So yes, we have not only a ton of peanuts and mixed nuts on our website, but we do have some great holiday recipes.
Okay.
We have all kinds of stuff. There's meat, there's sides, but I know you guys have already had some dishes from Lux today, so we brought desserts.
Some sweet treats.
Yes, some sweet treats, and it goes from anything. We have some really easy cookies. These are using our peanut butter and chocolate coated peanuts. Really easy. This is a great one for the kids to help out with. It only has a few ingredients. My personal favorite, we have our
That looks yummy.
butter toasted bark. So this is so good. There's actual toffee inside of it. There's toffee on the peanuts, and that uses our amazing butter toasted peanuts on there as well.
And then what's this down here?
This is a berry cobbler, and that uses our amazing honey roasted almonds, not peanuts, but these are so good, and this is one of our best sellers.
And you said all these recipes are online?
Yes, they're on our website, vadiner.com. You can get the recipes, you can get the peanuts and almonds to go with it, and makes a great holiday dish that's quick and easy to whip up for your family.
I was going to say, so we talk about the holidays. I mean, I think these are iconic. They're always at a party somewhere you go to or at your own party. I mean, talk to me too about just what you have for the holidays here, just peanuts and stuff to be sold too.
Yeah, there's lots of peanuts, but we also have some amazing gift sets. So shop for yourself, get some stuff to make your dishes, but also you can send directly to your family some great gift baskets. We also have other items like hams and I mean, there's an amazing amount of stuff. We have our biscuit mixes. We have a ton of stuff. You can also order peanut pies now.
Oh,
that's a big favorite. So you don't have to cook it at home if you're not so ambitious, and you can get it straight from us.
And so talk to me too. I mean, if I want to find your products somewhere, I mean, I know there's online, but also where else can I go around Richmond or, you know, in the area?
Yeah, there's a ton of places, but we would definitely welcome you to come down to Virginia Diner. We're in Wakefield. You can go to the restaurant. We've been there since 1929, serving up the best fried chicken.
Oh,
so
yes.
come have our fried chicken. Come grab some peanuts. We'd love to see you down. It's just a quick drive.
Talk to me too about the recipes here. I mean, how quick, how easy? I mean, I know you said you made a lot of this. I mean, was it very complicated?
No, I think the cookies took me maybe 20 minutes. Yeah, everything was less than an hour. I even made the cobbler this morning before coming in. It was super easy.
It was really good.
Is it good?
My mouth is now full, so
That's
tell
great.
me more about the products.
Yeah, absolutely. So we have a ton. Everybody knows about just our salted peanuts. That's, of course, our #1 seller. We have a lot of nice chocolatey stuff on there for holidays. 'Tis the season to indulge a little bit, and then we'll get back to exercising in January.
Resolutions are always meant to be had then, right?
Yes, yes. Our butter toasted peanuts. And a lot of people, this is something that is one of my personal favorites. It's kind of a toffee coated. There's only 3 ingredients in this. It's just butter, salt, and peanuts.
Oh, yeah,
And so it's nice, it's good, it's delicious. It's just something for you to wake up and then, you know, maybe save some for your New Year's plans as you have your parties to be able to put out too.
Always good to have them out. So let's remind the folks again, where can we get this online? Where can we find those recipes online?
Yeah, it's at vadiner.com, and there's a recipe tab in the menu.
All right. Thank you so much. Appreciate your time. Very nice to see you. Have a wonderful